They say insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. So this week I paused. I reflected on how I started 2026 as a self-employed wife and realized I've been working off my mood instead of a real routine, and that's been holding me back. And those spots in our homes we all avoid, yeah, I tackled some of mine. Let's get into it. It's Resurrection Sunday. We just got home from church. It is almost 3 o'clock. I hope you had a beautiful Easter. Let me know in the comments, what did you get up to? We didn't do much outside of like church programming. Like, in other years we would maybe like do a lunch, like host some friends over. This year we didn't do anything. Friday we went to church for our Easter production. Yesterday, as you already saw, we were just home. And then yeah, today we went to church, and now we are home for the rest of the late afternoon into the evening. I want to make jollof rice and fried fish. Lately I've been making jollof rice on Sundays. It's kind of like just become my Sunday thing. So let's keep that going.
She's becoming Nigerian.
I don't know what to respond to that, but yeah. And I wore a Nigerian dress today actually, so yeah. I'm in my Nigerian wife era, if you will. So yeah, let me go and change out of this because this is actually super uncomfortable. Everyone was telling me, oh, you look so cute. And I'm like, yeah, I wish I felt cute, because I don't know, like for the Nigerian ladies, I don't know how they wear these dresses. They just like, because it really snatches you, so you can't even like walk properly. It looks nice, but yeah, it's not the most comfortable. Anyway, let me stop yapping. Let me go and change, and then we will cook. Oh, I need to go get rice. The house is a mess this morning. Yesterday, Kay and I ended up going out. Like, I think I last spoke to you when we came back from church. We ended up going out right after that. Then came back later on, like early evening. Then that's when I made the jollof rice. I ended up just making that jollof rice so that we would have something to eat for lunch today. And then we were building furniture, and then it just like got really late. Before we knew it, it was like already really late. So we just went to bed and just left everything. And I hate this so much because I feel like I'm playing catch up from like yesterday today. Like I could have, been doing something else, but I'm still trying to deal with yesterday's mess today. But it is what it is. So I'm just trying to like refresh the space so that we can get started with the new week. Why is the apron even here? Oh, good Lord. Today is mostly an admin day for me in terms of work. I have a ton of things in my inbox that I need to action. Friday was a holiday, so you know, a lot of the things that were coming in from like Thursday end of day, I just ignored them because I was like, no one's working on Friday anyway. But I should have actioned them because here we are on Monday morning, and yeah, I need to action those things. I know in some places Easter Monday is a holiday, but for the most part, I know a lot of companies are working today. Even Kay is working today, so yeah, he's in his office working. I also need to do my, like, I've done this in my head, but I need to actually sit down and do a proper what was I about to say, Q1 review, and plan for Q2, just like what do I want to do. I've been enjoying drinking hot water lately. Well, not hot per se, but I don't know, I'm not enjoying room temperature water, ambient water, which is what I typically drink. So I've just been putting my water in the kettle. I turn it on for a little bit, and then when it's like close to hot, I drink it. Yeah, so basically what I was saying is I need to do my Q1 review and put a plan together for Q2. I know I'm a bit late in doing this considering this is already the first week of April, or like kind of second week, because April started on Wednesday, today is Monday. But anyway, we are still doing it. Kay and I also have our standing monthly marriage meeting. Today is gonna be like an extended version because we're reviewing Q1, so not sure yet if we're gonna do that here at home or if we'll like drive out and go to, you know, a cute coffee spot, or I don't know, we might just like end up going to Tim Hortons. I don't know, we'll see what we end up doing. We usually like just like try different spots like around us, so yeah, we'll see. We'll do that later on when he's done with work, but for now that's really hot. I think I made it too hot. For now, I want to make breakfast. I want to make us breakfast, and then I will head downstairs and get the workday started. So I just remembered that I forgot to bring out the chicken for tonight's dinner, so let me do that.
Again, there's nothing God cannot do. And these are just for one deal, right? One this, one that. Because the more the deliverables, the more the money keeps going up and all that. So it's possible. It's an easy thing to do. Again, God can do exceedingly.
Are we spending enough quality time together? Do you feel like I spend enough quality time with you? looking so much better. So I just like filled the baskets with the produce, potatoes, sweet potatoes, onions. In here I put plantains, but usually I put snacks in this basket, but I'm gonna make these plantains tonight, so it's fine, and I really don't have much snack. And then this is just like basic stuff we use for cooking, so like strainers, and a grater. That grater is like misplaced, but Kay uses it, so I just left it in there. Oh my god, my hands are so ashy from that cleaning. And then the bottom shelf where this stuff was, I've now put the pots. So I put my woks here with the lids, and then a bigger pot, my salsa pot, and then some pans, and then my griddle, and then the rolling pin for baking. It looks so much better. I wish I had more space for pots, because now when I take that I have to move this, but it kind of is what it is. I have to work with the space I have. But yeah, it's looking so much better.
Come with us to a quarterly marriage review.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, go. Come with
us to a quarterly marriage review. We bring our thoughts and ideas to the table, and together we determine what aligns with our... Okay. Okay, let's go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Come with us to our quarterly marriage review. We bring our thoughts and ideas to the table, and together we determine what aligns with our family goals and what to prioritize in this season.
These marriage meetings have given us clarity and alignment. We know our goals and hold each other accountable. We're running our marriage like an organization, and these meetings have strengthened our communication
and helps us to...
Oh my gosh!
Wait, we're just gonna do that at the end. We're just gonna do it. I just need to do the end.
It's not gonna flow.
No.
Yeah, it's cold. It is cold, but soon. soon. Like once you see the birds out like this, then
Yeah.
you know it's almost time. We decided to do a little test or trial to see if it's now like walking weather or not. Walking weather for us, because there's some people who walk regardless what the weather is, but yeah, it's not yet walking weather for us. It's still very, very cold. Like my fingers are freezing. This is me doing this just for content, but yeah, my fingers are freezing. I just want to put my fingers in my pockets. Load the dishwasher and make us something quick to eat, and then we'll get the day started. My top 3 for today would be to unload the dishwasher. Sorry, babe, what did you say? Unload, what did I say? Unload the top 3 for today would be to edit this particular video, and then I also need to film a few videos for Instagram, and then I have some admin work. So let's unload the dishwasher. probably like be ending the video now. And if you've watched until this point, you're a real one. God bless you. Leave a comment and I'll see you in the next one.